Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. For the 3-compartment sinks, they have a Drainboard on the side, also have an anti-slip design. So let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The unit's length is about like 60 inches long. And the overall height is about like 32 and a half inches tall. And depth of the unit is about like 18 and a half inches deep. From the manufacturers, they offer the faucets coming with the cold waters and hot water connections. And also have 3 filters from the manufacturers. We can take closer to see the bowl sizes. For this bowl dimensions, it will be 10 inches in the width and about like 10 inches high and 14 inches wide. Between the 2 hole, the diameters, it's about like 4 inches. This will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.